Counting 1 to 20 in Hindi and English for kids. 1. Egg. Children, in English this is one. O-N-E, one. In Hindi this is egg. E-K, egg. One egg. 2. Do. Children, in English this is two. In Hindi this is do. Say it again. Two, do. 3. Teen. Children, in English this is three. In Hindi this is teen. 3, teen. 4. Char. Children, in English this is four. In Hindi this is char. 4, char. 5. Paanch. Children, in English this is five. In Hindi this is paanch. 5, paanch. 6. Chhe. Children, in English this is six. In Hindi this is chhe. 6, chhe. 7. Saat. Children, in English this is seven. In Hindi this is saat. 7, saat. 8. Aat. Children, in English this is eight. In Hindi this is aat. 8, aat. 9. No. Children, in English this is nine. In Hindi this is no. 9, no. 10. Das. Children, in English this is 10. In Hindi this is das. 10, das. 11. Gyara. Children, in English this is 11. In Hindi this is gyara. 11, gyara. 12. Bara. Children, in English this is 12. In Hindi this is bara. 12, bara. 13. Tera. Children, in English this is 13. In Hindi this is tera. 13, tera. 14. Chauda. Children, in English this is 14. In Hindi this is chauda. 14, chauda. 15. Pandra. Children, in English this is 15. In Hindi this is pandra. 15, pandra. 16. Sola. Children, in English this is 16. In Hindi this is sola. 16, sola. 17. Satra. Children, in English this is 17. In Hindi this is satra. 17, satra. 18. 18. Children, in English this is 18. In Hindi this is 18. 18, 18. 19. 19. Children, In English, this is 19. In Hindi, this is 19. 19. 19. 20. 20. Children, in English, this is 20. In Hindi, this is 20. 20.